Hello everyone, my name is Faizal Garasia from Credit Repair Now. Today we will discuss about how individuals with low credit scores can still get a home or an auto loan. That's right, having a lower credit score does not mean you cannot go for a dream home or a car. As always, before we go any further, kindly hit that like and subscribe button below to be notified on our future videos. We're publishing new content every week for individuals who are dealing with bad credit scores. It may seem hopeless and embarrassing, but you're not the first one to have this issue. Lots of individuals have bad credit scores and they're continuously trying to improve them so it won't hinder their future loan rates. Because we all know that bad credit scores result in higher loan rates, terrible credit limits, and so much more. But what if you finally spotted the home you really want to build a family in? Well, there is an option. There's always something you can do. And with bad credit scores, that does not have to change. First, look into alternate lenders. Bad credit mortgage lenders exist. They are called alternate lenders and they're willing to help out individuals with credit scores below 600. They can also be called subprime lenders. Although the interest rates aren't as competitive, their payments are still affordable and terms are short, so you can find a better lender when your credit gets better. This helps you afford the house you've been keeping an eye for. Also, be prepared for the process. Getting a mortgage with bad credit means handing in more requirements. Prepare all the necessary documents such as your income, down payment, and any other supporting documents that's required for your mortgage approval. When you gathered all these information beforehand, the approval process, of course, becomes easier, faster, and therefore you feel confident in moving forward with the purchase that you intended for. The next one is get a cosigner. Another way to score a mortgage with a reasonable interest rate is through getting a cosigner on your mortgage loan. It is highly advisable to have a cosigner that you actually trust, a reliable family member, a long-term friend, someone with good credit score, and trusted profile. The important thing to note is that it is not impossible to move in your dream home, even with bad credit score. The Canadian mortgage lending system has created these options for individuals to rise above their current credit situation. As you move forward, you can slowly work on your credit score till it ends up in the excellent category. With an excellent credit score, you won't have any trouble getting competitive interest rates from major financial institutions. You can also opt on hiring a credit repair company that helps you get your credit score up faster. Now, do you have any questions or tips to share for individuals dealing with bad credit? Feel free to tell us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified on our upcoming videos. See you all next time.